This is so much fun!
We are riding very fast.
Look at me!
Slow down, Jack!
Oh no!
Jack, are you okay? My knee hurts. Let's ride our bikes today. Ugh, I fell down. Ugh.
Do not worry.
I will help you.
Your knee is bleeding a little.
Let's sit down and rest.
Thank you for helping me.
Drink some water.
This will help your knee.
I will call your mother. Jack! What happened?
Jack fell off his bicycle.
Jack fell off his bicycle.
I think I am okay. I will help with your bike.
Thank you, Tom.
Get well soon.
I hope Jack feels better.
I came to visit you.
My knee feels better now. Let's play together. Thanks for helping me, Tom. You are a good friend.
Friends help each other.
See you tomorrow.